How to fix hotspot error not working problem. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix hotspot not working problem. The first thing you want to do is turn on the airplane mode. Go ahead and turn on the flight mode for at least 10 to 15 seconds. After that, you simply want to turn it off. Now go ahead and check if your hotspot error has been fixed. If it is not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is open up your device settings. Now select General Management. Here find Reset. Now you will find different options here. Reset all settings, reset network settings, and reset accessibility settings. You want to select the second one, reset network settings. Now, this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So go ahead and tap on the reset settings option. Once that is done, you will have to restart your device. Once you restart your device, go ahead and check and your hotspot error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.